Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the channel logo or channel profile picture using your phone. So this tutorial is very useful for them who really want to change their channel's profile picture or channel logo. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. And after that, you will see an interface like this. Normally, click on this U icon. And now there will be an interface like this. Normally click on this pencil icon. And now if you click on this camera icon on the profile picture, you will see an option gallery. Click on it. And now choose the photo that you want to set as your profile picture or logo. Now set its position. After setting it, click on this Save as Profile Picture. And that's it. We have successfully changed our channel's logo or profile picture. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.